Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lesson, we will learn another 10 phrases to speak fluent Kashmiri. All you have to do is to repeat after I have said the words in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started.
Shamas gece gara yit atbut chalun. Shamas gece gara yit atbut chalun. In the evening, one should wash hand and face after coming back home. Tse kar pet korut ate rozun chalu? Tse kar pet korut ate rozun chalu. When did you start to live there? Please pay attention here. In this sentence, we say ate. Ate rozun chalu. Ate means there. If we exchange ate with yete, we can easily make another sentence which is Tsekar pete korut yete rozun chalu. Tsekar pete korut yete rozun chalu. When did you start to live here? Yete is here. Tse kya chuk karan? Tse kya chuk karan? What do you do? Tse kya chuk karan? Bu chus karobar karan. Bu chus karobar karan. I am doing business. Bu chus skule haki gindan. Bu chus skule haki gindan. I play hockey in the school. Tsikats vuhur chuk. Tsikats vuhur chuk. How many years old are you? Buchus dah vuhur. Buchus dah vuhur. I am 10 years old. Mech sakhat nindar amats. Me ch sakhat nindar amats. I am very sleepy. Dohoy gache suli nindar karit wathun. Dohoy gache suli nindar karit wathun. Every day one should wake up early after sleep.